Hi guys, in this video we will talk about how to fix your Microsoft Authenticator app is not working on your new mobile phone, either it is an Android or the iPhone. So how you can fix this issue. So make sure the first step is just go to the App Store or Play Store, open it and search here Authenticator or Microsoft. You can search anything like Microsoft Authenticator. So make sure to enter the complete name, and once done just open the application and make sure that you have updated the app and you have the latest version of Microsoft Authenticator. And if not, so you can face sometimes this issue that you're not able to log in, or you are facing some kind of other options or other bugs or glitches into your application. So make sure to update the application in your mobile phone, and once updated, the second thing that you can go and try is make sure to log in. And as you can see, I already have logged in with my Microsoft account. So let's say that you are having some kind of issues, so you can just click on plus icon, and what you can do is just click on your personal account. Just make sure to enter, and from here you can just choose this option called scan QR code. So let's say that you already have logged in with your account or signed in on your account into your laptop or PC, and from that you can just open the QR code option from the laptop or PC, and into your mobile phone you can just scan the code and you will be able to log in. The second option is like sign in with Microsoft, which is a simple option like log in with your email credentials or your mobile number, and you will be able to log in. So make sure to choose this option or try this option, scan QR code into your through your laptop or PC. And once QR code scanned, you will be able to log in the Microsoft Authenticator into your new mobile phone without facing any kind of issues. And this is a possibility that they might send the email verification code, so make sure to enter the code as well, and once done your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this.